to drag around a heavy air compressor or visit a gas station every time you need to pump up a tyre is cumbersome and inconvenient. The Wolfbox MegaFlow 24 Pro portable tyre inflator comes to your rescue and even keeps your phone and tablet fully charged. It's hard to believe that a small box of around 8 by 5 inches could inflate 14 SUV tyres on a single charge, but the Wolfbox MegaFlow 24 Pro is more than capable. The portable tyre inflator is designed to make it quick and easy to inflate tyres on cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles and bicycles. It can even pump up balls up to 194 basketballs to be exact. The inflator is made for large tyres up to 315/70/R17 and can inflate them in under 4 minutes. For standard car tyres, 185, 55 and R14, it only takes a little over 30 seconds, so you can pump up 4 car tyres in just over 2 minutes. Of course, basic inflation isn't all this portable tyre inflator is capable of. Some of the most notable features include maximum of 150 psi, intelligent pressure measurement and sensor, 58 LPM airflow, easy to read digital display, charges itself in approximately an hour, 45 watt input-output via USB-C port, 0.5 watt emergency light, auto stop to prevent overinflating, 12,000 mAh battery, twin cylinders, and a temperature range of -4 Fahrenheit to 122 Fahrenheit. For comparison purposes, Wolfbox also sent me a competing portable tyre inflator, the AirMoto Smart Air Pump. It's a bit smaller but works similarly with presets for cars, motorcycles, bicycles and basketballs. It also features a custom mode for various items like air mattresses and beach balls. It's less than half the size of the MegaFlow 24 Pro and supports up to 120 psi. It also features a light, auto stop, pressure sensor and internal compartment to store the air hose. It is noticeably slower though, taking 4 to 10 minutes to pump up a low tyre, which is not fully flat. I love portable gadgets that make my life easier, but I hate having to buy cases separately to store and protect them. The Wolfbox MegaFlow 24 Pro comes with a hard shell protective case and a flexible handle. There's even a mesh storage compartment for the inflator's accessories. Speaking of accessories, the MegaFlow 24 Pro comes with a handy case, an instruction manual, 2 nozzles, 20-inch inflator hose, USB-C to USB-C charging cable, and an 11-foot 12-volt DC car charger. My only big complaint is that an adapter to use with the USB cable was not provided, so you'll need to provide one of your own. If you want to take advantage of the fast charging for the inflator yourself, make sure the adapter you use supports it, otherwise it will charge slower. If you've ever inflated a tyre, you know the nozzle on the hose gets hot, especially when you're inflating multiple or larger tyres. The hose with this one features insulating sleeves on both ends for safer operation. It's recommended to only use it for up to 15 minutes continuously and then let it cool for 2 to 5 minutes. The MegaFlow 24 Pro definitely wins when it comes to the case and hose. The AirMoto Smart Air Pump only comes with a waterproof drawstring bag to carry it. It's made to be extremely compact, so the air hose is extremely short. In fact, to pump up a tyre, you'll likely need to hold the inflator the entire time. I couldn't be happier with the display on the Wolfbox. Even in bright sunlight, it's easy to read and has 5 main areas of information. Battery status at the top right, modes near the top, vehicle, motorcycle, bicycle, ball, real-time pressure monitoring, preset pressure setting, pressure unit display, choose between PSI, bar, kPa and kilograms per centimetre squared. The controls are located just below the display in a large rubber square. Overall, it's a very sleek design with a translucent front to let you see all the inner workings. The top features the light air hose port and the 12-volt charger port. The bottom features a single USB-C port. I was sceptical that the Wolfbox MegaFlow 24 Pro would work as fast as it claimed, but it does. My first test was with a half-deflated basketball. I changed the PSI to 7, chose the ball for my mode, and attached the needle nozzle. The ball was fully inflated in less than 5 seconds. I also tested this on 2 SUVs and a sedan. While the tyres were mostly full, I was able to top off several low tyres on each vehicle. The entire inflating time took roughly a minute for a total of around 10 psi. Finally, I gave the portable tyre inflator a better workout with my bicycle. After sitting around all winter without being used, the tyres were pretty much flat. I had them both pumped up, each around 15 psi in less than a minute. It was super simple. All I had to do was set my mode, set my desired PSI, and let it run. Throughout all these tests, the battery never dropped below 75%. The Airmoto Smart Air Pump really wasn't any competition to the MegaFlow 24 Pro. I tried the same tests with it, but it wasn't nearly as fast. It's also not marketed to be as speedy. For instance, pumping up a tyre from 33 psi to 35 psi took around 30 seconds with MegaFlow, and over 90 seconds with Airmoto. However, both accurately measured current air pressure and turned off when the set PSI was reached. Of course, if you need to inflate something at night, the lighter top is a wonderful feature. It has both steady and SOS modes. Airmoto also features an LED light on it. Surprisingly, it was actually a little brighter than MegaFlow, but smaller and didn't illuminate quite as large of an area. I love that the Wolfbox MegaFlow also functions as a power bank. While fast charging is supported, your phone or tablet must support it too, or it'll just charge normally. I tried it with my Samsung phone, which does support fast charging. In comparison with my normal fast charger, the Inflator charged it almost as fast. So, you get a quick charge while on the go or when the power's out. Of course, what's even more impressive to me is how quickly the Inflator itself charges. When it was on the last battery indicator, around 25% or less, I used my Samsung fast charging adapter and the provided USB-C cable to charge the Inflator. It was fully charged in just under an hour. This means less waiting and more use. Since the Airmoto Smart Air Pump does have a much smaller battery, it only functions as an inflator and not a power bank. The USB port is only for charging the device itself. Thanks to the wide temperature range, it's the perfect gadget to keep in your car for quick tyre top-offs, or use it to keep your bike, lawnmower tyres and basketballs inflated. Honestly, the only issues I have with the portable tyre inflator are that it's difficult to hold onto with the slick surface and it lacks a power adapter. While the Airmoto is a wonderful portable tyre inflator as well, it retails for $89. MegaFlow costs just $50 more and lasts significantly longer between charges, and also serves as an emergency power bank when needed. So, the Wolfbox MegaFlow 24 Pro portable tyre inflator is a powerful, handy accessory for your vehicle and home. The power bank feature is always useful too. Buy the Wolfbox MegaFlow 24 Pro for just $99.99 on the website or on Amazon. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. That's all for now. I will see you next time.